Snopra 2011. This is normally where you would get off on Foster to get onto Lakeshore Drive. You can see the exit for Lakeshore Drive right here. And let me walk just a little further so you can see this is what the exit looks this morning. Kind of impassable and pretty desolate. So anyway, here's the view looking west on Foster, and no construction work going on today.
I get a little warm in my heart when I think of winter. I put my hand in my father's glove.
So I made it to the lake, and this is Foster Beach, which normally is a little sunnier and has people like laying out and stuff. And here's the beach house, and I'm gonna make my way up to the actual breakers if I can. So stay tuned. Okay, so I made it to the breakers. Here's the view looking back towards Edgewater, and it's it's pretty cold out here actually. The wind is blowing, and there's the lighthouse, one of the lighthouses. But there's actually a person. I don't know if you can see him. There's actually a person walking out on the water. Well, on the ice. Are they insane? Are they insane? Probably. I'm tempted to do it too, but I don't know. All right. So I'm gonna walk along the breaker a little bit. And, this is what it looked like. Freezing cold. Okay, I'll catch you in a minute. Okay. So now I've made it up Foster, and now I'm walking down Lakewood. I think it's Lakewood. Making my way back home, and as you can probably tell, it's very deep snow, and this street has not been paved, and so I'm walking like a drunk person. It's kind of weird and kind of reminiscent of my past. So I think even though the gym's closed today because of the weather, I'm okay. I think I'm getting a pretty good workout today. Though I have to say, I kind of wish I had worn my ski pants, considering I haven't worn them in a few years. So today would have been a good opportunity. Oh my goodness. Okay, enough for now. Here comes the wind again. Okay, so I made it home, and one thing I wanted to point out is this is something I remember fondly from growing up in northern Wisconsin in the winters. Frozen jeans. Remember this? Frozen jeans. Frozen to the core. So I'm gonna take these things off and go warm up. I would warm up in front of a fire, except unfortunately our fireplace is still broken. So soon.